Infinix 0X Pro is a new smartphone from Infinix which is costing around 48,000 PK on Pakistan market. In this price range we have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and this phone is finally here in the Pakistan market. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Infinix 0X Pro. Now let's see that what is Infinix has you offer in this price range. On the back we have some more specification about the phone. Let me show you, and you can see, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 Boost Intelligent dual chipset. Also on the front we have 6.67-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and this phone also has a Android 11. Also we have 4500 mAh battery size. We also have a 16 megapixel selfie camera. On the back we have a 108 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. Also we have a 8 megapixel telephoto lens which give you a 5x optical zoom. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide as well, and this phone also has a ultra night vision camera as well. Also the Infinix X Pro is also manufactured in Pakistan. That's a really good thing as well. So first remove the plastic first, and now let's see that what is Infinix 0X Pro has you offer in this phone. Yes, and the specification about the phone, it is mind-blowing. We have an AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. We also have optical image stabilization in the main camera. So first let me remove the plastic like this, and you can see in the box of the Infinix 0X Pro, it is also much different as compared to the Infinix 08 series. On the front we have a carbon fiber look as well, and this phone also certified by the TUV Ryland for low blue light as well as a stay fast charging, because this phone also has a 45-watt fast charging as well. Now let's open this box like this. Again we have one more box. Now let's open this box. Also the color I have is the nebula black color. I didn't get the silver color, but we have a black color. Here is the Infinix 0X Pro. Now let's out the phone from this box like this. So you can see that again we have more specification about the phone. Now I'm gonna just put the side here. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And the first thing, we get this lid. When you open the lid we get a soft silicone case, which is not a normal soft silicone case. Also we get a screen protector. Also we have this Win-Free Phones Spark. Also we get a warranty card, and here is a SIM injection tool, and you can see also we get a case and cash, and this is not a normal case, and you can see on the back it says that now, so which looks really good. Also we get this welcome to join X Club. Here is a charger, and as you can see that we have a 45-watt adapter in the box. This charger is gonna charge your phone at 45 watt. Also we get a cable, and this is a USB type C to USB A cable, as you can see. So that's a really good thing. No headphones inside the box, which is available on the previous Infinix 08 series. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's quickly look at the Infinix 0X Pro. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. So here is the Infinix 0X Pro, looks like in the nebula black color, and you can see on the back glossy finish. Also on the back we have this shimmer. We have a 108 megapixel main camera which also has a optical image stabilization. Also we have a ultra wide. We also have a 5x optical zoom. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on the Infinix 0X Pro. So you can see we also have a rubber inside the SIM tray. So guys, you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button. On the front we have 6.67-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. On the top we also get a punch hole, as you can see, which is also really small on this phone. Also the back is made up of glass, and the frame of this phone is made up of plastic. And guys, on the top we also have a LED flash as well. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. Here is the first boot of the Infinix 0X Pro, and this phone also is running on OIS version 7.6, and you can see And guys, in the first impression about display quality, I have to say that we have an AMOLED display. Also we have 120Hz refresh rate, which I can feel right from the start. So first let me go to the settings. Now let's go to the display, and you can see we have 120Hz refresh rate on the Infinix Zero X Pro with AMOLED display as well. So now let's go to the about phone on this phone, and this phone is running on Android 11. So that's really good thing. We have Android 11. Also we have 128 GB of internal storage on this phone. We have 114 GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner, and this phone also has a in-display fingerprint scanner, which is right there, and you can see. And the fingerprint scanner, it is also work really fast, no issue whatsoever in the in-display fingerprint scanner of the Infinix Zero X Pro. Now let's look at the camera. On the back we have a triple cameras on this phone. We have a 108 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization. Also we have a 8 megapixel telephoto, which give you a 5x optical zoom. Lastly we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. So here is the camera features of the Infinix Zero X Pro. And the night mode, it is only available with the main lens. We also have a portrait mode. We also have a beauty, AI, video. The back camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD at 60 fps as well. So that's really good thing. We also have a ultra steady mode. So we have a bokeh video mode on this phone. We also have a video beauty feature as well. We also have a video option with the ultra wide lens as well. We also have a slow motion, which give you a 960 fps. So now let's see the front camera on this phone. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. So as the camera looks like, and the colors, everything looks really good on this phone. On the front we also have a portrait mode. The night mode also available with the front camera. So now let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD at 60 fps as well. So that's really good thing. On the front we also have a ultra steady mode. We also have a bokeh video mode, which give you a background blur in video. We also have a video beauty feature. On the front we also have a LED flash. On the front we also have a short video mode as well. And again we also have a macro mode on this phone. So now let's talk about the battery size of the Infinix Zero X Pro, and this phone has a 4500 mAh battery size with a 45 watt fast charging. Also we have a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, which is one of the best chipset in this price range. Not a lot of bloatware on this phone, so that's really good thing. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Zero X Pro. I really like the Infinix Zero X Pro cameras and the display, everything, it is really good on this phone. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the new Infinix Zero X Pro. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.